How to download and install Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D on Android and iOS. First of all, open your device and go to the Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. In the search bar, type Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D and make sure you select the official game developed by JOYCITY Corporation. Once you find it, tap the install button. The download size may vary depending on updates, so ensure you have a stable internet connection. Next, wait for the game to finish downloading. After the installation is complete, you will see the open button. Tap on it to launch the game. If the app is not available for your device, you can download it from a trusted third-party app store such as APKPR. Download the APKPR app and open it. In the search bar, type Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D and search for it. After you find the game, tap the install button. Once the installation is complete, you can easily open the game and launch it on your device. Now you know how to download and install Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.